song today called The Butterfly. There's the butterfly. And the butterfly is on page 14 of your book. Page 14 of your book. So, get ready. Let's take a look. Remember bass clef G? Bass clef G. Where was bass clef G? Do you see any bass clef G's in this song? If you see any bass clef G's, point to them. What measure has the first bass clef G? Measure 1, right? There it is. Top space note 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, where else do we see a bass clef G? There's one. Measure 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see if we can find one more bass clef G. Measure 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is in measure 8. All right, so this song, like in Clouds Go By, you remember that one? It's mostly in the right hand, in the treble clef, but every now and then we dip down into the bass clef for bass clef G. So you'll be doing that same thing you did in Clouds Go By, where you're going between your thumb of your right hand, middle C, and your thumb of your left hand, bass clef G. Remember doing that? C, G, C. C, G, C. In that song, in Clouds Go By, we just did it once. But in this song, we're going to do it 3 times. All right? 3 times. So we know that's the lowest note, right? There's nothing lower than that in the song. So if that's the lowest note, can you see where the highest note in the song is? Is it middle C? Nope, middle C is in the middle, right? We've got notes that are higher than that. So let's just look through here and see if we can find the highest note. It all stays on middle C here. Oh, we start to climb up. You see how we're climbing up? C, D, E. Okay, let's see on the next line if it gets even higher. We're back on what note here? Do you know what note that is? Same note we were on there. First line note, which is C, D, E. Treble E. We play another treble E. Oh, then we get even higher to F. Back to E, E. And then what happens? We climb even higher, right? E, F, G. Check it out. Check out that G. After the G, we start going back down. And you might remember when we did our scale, when we went down the stairs, this is going straight down the stairs, right? 1 note at a time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that part will be pretty easy to play if you just think, I'm stepping down the stairs. So that G is our highest note in the whole song, treble G. And our lowest note is bass clef G. Now I wanted to point out the highest note because it actually has to do with the words of the song. When it says gently flying way up high, because it's a song about a butterfly, when it says way up high, the notes are climbing higher and higher. And on the word high, that's when we hit the highest note of the piece. So it's kind of cool when you can see where the words match what's happening with the music. I'm going to read you the whole words. What is that I think I spy? Could it be a butterfly? Gently flying way up high. Wish I were a butterfly. Yeah. Okay, so let's take another look at some of these notes here. We've seen the highest note. We've seen the lowest note. What about repeated notes? Do you know what repeated notes mean? That's when you do the same note over and over, where it doesn't go up or down, higher or lower, but it stays the same. So just for an example, the first measure, we have middle C, and then it repeats, and then it does it again. So those are repeated notes. So where do you see repeated notes next? Did you point to measure 2? Again, it's all middle C, right? So all of those notes repeat. How about measure 3? Are we going up, down, or repeating? Well, we start off repeating. We're still doing middle C. And then at the very end, we go down, right, to that bass clef G. And then what happens here? Do we have more repeated notes? No, those are different notes, right? We have middle C, and then what? D, and then E. C, D, E. So the notes are going up or down. We're climbing up, right? We're going to be playing finger 1, 2, 3. And you can see they're close together, but the notes are slowly getting higher on the page. Okay. Now let's go ahead and clap and count like we've done before. All right, so I'm going to tap the first time and use my pencil. Okay, here we go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. All right, now I'm going to do it again, clapping, and this time, see if you can do it with me, okay? Here we go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Nice job. All right, now it is time to write in the note names. So, what note do we start on again? Middle C, right? It's got the little line through it. So you're going to start off by writing C, C, then what? Another C, right? So you'll write in another C, and then what? Bass clef G, right? And then back to middle C. So go ahead and stop the video, grab a pen or pencil if you don't have one, fill in all of these note names, and then put the video back on, and we'll see how you did. Okay, so we have C, 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 G, C, 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 G, C, D, E, 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 F, E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, G. What's the last note? C, middle C. And I'm going to draw a line here with an arrow pointing down, just to remind you, since we're about to go play it, that you're going to be going down the stairs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. That's how the end of the song will go. All right, let's go to the keyboard and take a look from there.